Ever wondered why everyone's talking about Tesla stock? It's been on a wild ride, capturing headlines and investor attention. But what makes this electric car company's shares so fascinating and sometimes so unpredictable? At its heart, Tesla isn't just a car company, it's a technology and innovation powerhouse. They revolutionized the electric vehicle market, pushing boundaries with battery range, performance, and cutting-edge self-driving capabilities. A big part of Tesla's story is its visionary leader, Elon Musk. His ambitious goals, sometimes controversial tweets, and strong personality often directly influence the stock. Plus, Tesla boasts incredible brand loyalty. Its customers are true enthusiasts. Beyond cars, Tesla is delving into energy storage with Powerwalls, solar solutions, and even artificial intelligence with its Optimus robot. Investors see huge future potential in these diversified ventures, believing Tesla is more than just an automotive company. However, it's not always smooth sailing. Tesla stock is known for its volatility, swinging wildly due to market sentiment, production challenges, and intense competition. Its high valuation also makes some investors cautious. Ultimately, Tesla's stock performance is a fascinating blend of groundbreaking innovation, massive market demand, visionary leadership, and yes, a fair bit of market excitement. It's a company that constantly challenges the status quo, and its stock perfectly reflects that ambition. Subscribe for more amazing facts.